Hi, hello dear children. How are you? Hope you all are very fine and enjoy your lessons. Children, do you remember the story of the curly locks and the three bears? You can see the picture. Do you remember the story of this lesson? Yes, it was a wonderful story. बहुत ही मजा आया था ना स्टोरी पढ़ते समय. Children, today we are going to do some more exercises of this lesson. In the earlier class, we have done some exercises, isn't it? Right? We have done some exercises in the earlier class. And today also, we are going to do some more exercises of this lesson. Before going to the exercises, let me recall you the story. Once, there lived a girl named Curly Locks. One day, she went to the forest near her house. There she saw a cottage. She wanted to know that who lived there. So, she entered into the cottage. It was the cottage of a bear family. When she entered into the cottage, at that time nobody was there. The cottage was empty. Nobody was there. She entered into the house and she asked, "Is anybody there?" But no reply. Then again she entered into the room. Then she found that there were 3 balls of porridge kept on the table. 3 balls of porridge. She found that 3 balls of porridge were kept on the table. And the cottage was of the bear family. And in that cottage, 3 bears lived. One was the papa bear, another was the mama bear, and one more the baby bear. So 3 balls were kept, and all the 3 balls were having porridge. And the girl was hungry. That time she was very hungry. So what did she do? She ate the porridge from the big ball. And the balls were of 3 sizes. One was big, another was of middle size, and the third one was of tiny size. So what did she do? She ate porridge from the big ball first. She ate the porridge from the big sized ball. It was too hot. Then she started eating from the middle sized ball. It was too cold. The porridge was too cold. Then what did she do? Then she started eating the porridge from the tiny bowl. It was just right. That means, इसका मतलब क्या है? ना तो वो ज़्यादा too hot था और ना ही वो too cold था. It was just right. So she ate all the porridge from the tiny bowl. Then she was very happy, isn't it? Then what did she do? She went into the next room. It was the bedroom of the bear family. There were 3 beds. One was big sized bed, another was middle sized bed, and one more tiny bed was there. Then she climbed on the first bed, big sized bed. It was too hard. Then she climbed on the middle sized bed. It was too soft. Then what did she do? She climbed on the tiny sized bed. It was just right. So she liked the tiny bed. So she fell asleep on the tiny bed. Then after some time, the bear family returned to their house. Where did the bear family go? They went for a walk. Actually, they went for a walk that time. Then they returned back. When they returned, they entered into the first room. The papa bear told that somebody has eaten my porridge from my bowl. And the mama bear also told that somebody has eaten my porridge also. And the tiny bear also told that somebody has eaten up all my porridge from my bowl. The papa bear told with a gruff voice, and the tiny bear told with a little sweet voice. Then three of the bears entered into the bedroom. There they saw that somebody has slept in their beds. The papa bear shouted and told, somebody has slept in my bed. Mama bear also shouted and told, somebody has slept in my bed also. And the little bear also shouted with a tiny voice that somebody is sleeping in my bed now. Now also somebody is sleeping in my bed. Then with this voice, Curly Locks woke up. When she saw the three bears, she woke up from the bed and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. Okay children, now you have remembered the story. अब आपको याद आ गया होगा स्टोरी, है ना? चलिए अब हम इस लेसन के कुछ और एक्सरसाइजेस भी करते हैं. Let's do some more exercises of this lesson. Okay? So lesson was Curly Locks and the three bears. This is the picture of Curly Lock, the girl, and the bear family, the papa bear, the mama bear, and the tiny baby bear. So let's see the exercises. So this is our first exercise, children. Choose the right word and encircle it. Children, some words are given. Here A, all the spellings of the word is curly actually. The word is curly, but from this group only one word is correct. All the words are having wrong spellings. So you have to pick out the correct spelling and you have to encircle it. That means you have to put a circle on it. जो वर्ड सही है उसको आपको क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. तो आपको स्पेलिंग्स देखने हैं, कौन सी वर्ड की स्पेलिंग सही है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. CARLY, CURRLY कर्ली होता है, CURLY कर्ली होता है, या CURLLY. तो which one is correct children? CURLY is the correct spelling of curly. So you have to encircle this word. You have to encircle this word. That means this word is having the correct spelling. Next group of words is cottage. यहाँ पे cottage word का different spellings दिया गया है. You have to pick out the correct spelling of the word and you have to encircle it. COTTAGE cottage. COTTAGE और यहाँ पे है COTACGE. तो which one is correct students? This one is correct. Number 1. First one is correct. COTTAGE is correct spelling of cottage. So you will encircle like this. Next group is BOUL, bowl, 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 BOLL, bowl or BOWLL. Which one is correct? Yes, BOWL is the correct spelling of bowl. So you will encircle like this. Okay? PORIDGE, PORRIGE, PORRIDG, PORRIDGE. So which one is the correct one? Children, this one is correct. Porridge. Next is HUNGRY, hungry. HANGRY, hungry. HUNGRY, hungry, and HUGNRY. Which one is correct? HUNGRY, hungry. This one is correct. Last one is FAMMILY, फैमिली। इसमें बच्चों आपको देखना है कौन सा स्पेलिंग सही है फैमिली वर्ड का। कौन सा स्पेलिंग सही है? FAMLY ये सही है, या FAMILY फैमिली, या FAMILLY फैमिली? विच वन इज करेक्ट? FAMILY ये है सही। ठीक है, तो चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स। ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। हियर रीडिंग इज फन। Now we have to write the answers of these questions. What is the name of the girl with curly hair? What is the name? क्या नाम था उस लड़की का जिसके curly hair थे? So नाम भी उसका hair जैसा ही था, क्योंकि उसका hair कैसा था? curly था. So the name of the girl was Curly Locks. So you will write the answer like this. The name of the girl with curly hair was Curly Locks. CORLYLOCKS Curly Locks. The name of the girl with curly hair was Curly Locks. Next question. Where did she go one day? एक दिन वो कहाँ गई थी? Curly Locks कहाँ गई थी एक दिन? एक दिन वो फॉरेस्ट में गई थी जो उसके घर के पास था। तो आंसर इज द गर्ल वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट नियर हर हाउस। अपने घर के पास जो फॉरेस्ट था वहीं पे वो गई थी। तो आंसर इज वन डे शी वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट नियर हर हाउस। One day she went to the forest near her house. Next question is, where did the bear family go? अब bear family जो पापा bear, मामा bear and tiny bear, वो लोग कहाँ गए थे? They went for a walk. वो लोग walking के लिए गए थे। The bear family went for a walk. Went for a walk. Okay, children. Let's see the next question. So, next question is, from which ball did Curly Lock eat up the porridge? Curly Locks ने कौन से बॉल से porridge खाया? कौन से बॉल से खाया? उसने तीनों बॉल से porridge खाया। हलवा जो है, porridge क्या है? porridge हलवा जिसे कहते हैं, है ना? तो कर्ली लॉक्स ने कौन कौन से बॉल से हलवा खाया? पोरिज खाया। उसने तीनों बॉल से हलवा खाया, है कि नहीं? पापा बैर का बॉल से भी खाया, उसने मामा बैर के जो बॉल है उससे भी खाया, और टाइनी बैर का बॉल से भी उसने पोरिज खाया। लेकिन जो टाइनी बैर का जो बॉल था, टाइनी बॉल, इट वॉज जस्ट राइट, वो सबसे सही था, इसलिए उस बॉल से उसने सारा हलवा खा लिया था। लेकिन उसने सारे बॉल से हलवा खाया था। So how will you write? You will write the answer. Curly Locks ate up the porridge from all the three balls. Curly Locks ate up the porridge from all the three balls. From all the three balls. Next question is, how many bears were there in the house? उस घर में कितने bears रहते थे? 3 bears. The papa bear, mama bear and the baby bear. So you will write the answer. There were 3 bears. 3 bears in the house. Okay children, now let's go to the next exercise. Complete the sentences. Dash lived in the house. So this exercise you have to recall the story and you have to fill in the blanks. Dash lived in the cottage. कौन रहता था cottage में? The bear family. You will write here. The bear family lived in the cottage. Next is there were 3 balls of dash on the table. Table के ऊपर 3 balls में क्या थे? Porridge. You will write here balls of porridge. ठीक है. Next is the big bed was very dash. Big bed कैसा था? There were 3 beds. The big bed was very hard. It was too hard. And the middle sized bed was too soft. And the tiny bed was just right. What will you write here? The big bed was very hard. Okay. Last sentence is Curly Locks fell asleep in the dash bed. तो Curly Locks कौन से बेड पे जाके सो गई थी? She slept in the tiny bed because it was just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny bed. Tiny bed. Now children, I will read all these sentences once again. The bear family lived in the cottage. There were 3 bowls of porridge on the table. The big bed was very hard. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny bed. Next exercise is let's listen to the story and enjoy. First children, you have to read the story and understand the story. First of all, you have to understand the story, what is written. Okay. Then we will do the exercises or what are the questions given here. We have to answer this. Hari and Giri are lost in a forest where they see a house made of peppermint and chocolate. Hari और गिरी 2 लड़के थे. वो दोनों फॉरेस्ट जंगल में लॉस्ट यानी कि घूम गए थे. जब वे जंगल गए वहां से वो रास्ता भूल गए थे और वहां जाने के बाद उन्होंने क्या देखा? दे सी ए हाउस मेड ऑफ पेपरमिंट एंड चॉकलेट. वहां उन्होंने एक घर देखा. किससे बना हुआ था? चॉकलेट और पेपरमिंट से. अ बैड विच हु लिव्स देयर कॉल्स द चिल्ड्रन इन एंड ट्रैप्स देम. वहां पे एक बैड विच, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. विच का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? बैड विच. विच यानी कि जो जादू करते हैं, खराब काम करते हैं, गलत काम करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड बैड विच. अ बैड विच was living in that house. वहां पे एक बैड विच रहती थी और वो क्या करती थी? The bad witch she calls the children in. वो घर के अंदर बच्चों को बुलाती है और and traps them. उनको बंद करके रख देती थी अपने घर में या किसी के डिब्बे में, कोई रूम में, कोई कमरे में. वो क्या करती थी? उनको बंद करके रख देती थी. She shuts Hari up in a cage to frighten him. अब उसने क्या किया? जब हरी और गिरी वहां पहुंचे तो बैड विच ने क्या किया? हरी को एक केज यानी कि पिंजरे में बंद करके रख दिया ताकि वो टू फ्राइटन हिम, उसको डराने के लिए उसने क्या किया? एक पिंजरे में हरी को बंद कर दिया. शी वॉन्ट्स टू ईट हिम. बंद करके उसको डराना चाहती थी. डराने के बाद वो हरी को खाना चाहती थी. द क्लेवर गिरी. अब उसका जो फ्रेंड है गिरी, ही वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. थिंग्स ऑफ ए वेरी गुड प्लान. वो उसके पास एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लान आया, बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया आया उसके दिमाग में. ही टुक द विच आउट. उसने क्या किया? उस विच को, जादूगरनी को क्या किया? बाहर निकाला. बाहर निकालने के बाद एंड क्लोज्ड हर इन अ रूम. निकाल कर उसको उसने एक रूम में बंद कर दिया। ठीक है, दिस वॉज द स्टोरी। नाउ वी हैव टू आंसर ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस। हु वर लॉस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट? जंगल में कौन घूम गए थे? हरी एंड गिरी। आंसर यू विल राइट हरी एंड गिरी were lost in a forest. Next question is, what is the house made of? वो जो घर था फॉरेस्ट के अंदर में, वो क्या से बना हुआ था? It was made of peppermint and chocolate. The house is made of peppermint and chocolate. बच्चों, just imagine if a house is made of peppermint and chocolate. कैसा रहेगा अगर कोई भी घर पेपरमिंट और चॉकलेट से बना होगा? तो कैसे फील करोगे आप? यस, आप उस घर की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होगे ना। इसीलिए वो बैड विच, वो जो घर है उसको वो पेपरमिंट और चॉकलेट से इसलिए बना रही क्योंकि वो देख के बच्चे उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो और वो अपने जादू में उनको फंसा सके। द हाउस इज मेड ऑफ पेपरमिंट एंड चॉकलेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु लिव इन द हाउस? अब उस घर के अंदर कौन रहता था? अ बैड विच। आंसर इज अ बैड विच। What is the spelling of witch? W-I-T-C-H. Lived in the house. Next question is, who was shut in the cage? केज के अंदर किसको बंद कर दिया था? कौन? हरी। हरी को बंद कर दिया था। तो आंसर इज हरी was shut in the cage. In a cage. Okay children, let's move on to the next exercise. Children, our next exercise is pick up the same sounding words from the shape and write them in the bubbles. Children, two shapes are given. That is, two rectangular shapes are given, and in that rectangular shape some words are written. You have to pick the words from these two boxes having same sound. Same sound का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? जब वो वर्ड को आप स्पेल करते हो, पढ़ते हो, तो they will be having same sound. एक ही तरह आवाज आएगी. That is called rhyming words. है ना? तो you have to pick rhyming words from these two boxes and you have to write in the next page. Some bubbles are given. You have to write in the next page. First we will find the rhyming words. Okay. For example, sun, sun. इसका rhyming words आपको इस बॉक्स से निकालना है. You have to find the rhyming word for sun from this box. So you have to find which is the rhyming words from this box. For sun, sun, that is son, sun. Sun, sun, that is also sun, and son, sun is also sun. So these two words are having same sound. Like this, ate, ate. एट का राइमिंग वर्ड यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा आपको? एट का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या है? यहाँ पे देखिए EIGST एट, EIGST एट, एट एंड एट, बोथ दीज आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. लाइक ONE1, ONE1, इसका राइमिंग वर्ड यहाँ पे क्या है? WON1, बोथ आर हैविंग सेम साउंड. ONE1, WON1. HARE hair, HARE hair. Here the rhyming word is HAIR. This is also hair and this is also hair. WRITE right. For this, which is the rhyming word from this box? RIGST right. ये भी right है, ये भी right है ना? Now HOLE whole. Which is the rhyming words for this? Whole from this box? WHOLE whole. This is also whole and this is also whole. but the meaning is different and the spelling is also different, but the sound is same. Both these words are having same sound. MEAT meat. अब इसका राइमिंग वर्ड यहाँ से आपको कैसे मिलेगा? MEET मीट, ये भी मीट है और ये भी मीट है. NEW new, NEW new. For this the rhyming word is KNEW new. इसको भी हम न्यू पढ़ते हैं because here K is silent. K यहाँ पे silent है. इसको भी हम न्यू पढ़ते हैं, इसको भी हम न्यू ही पढ़ते हैं. SOME sum. For this rhyming word is SUM sum. SUM sum, ये भी sum है और ये भी sum है. SEEC. For this the rhyming word is SEAC. So children, you have to write all these words in these bubbles. इस bubbles के अंदर आपको words लिखने हैं. जैसे कि SUN sun का rhyming word यहाँ लिखा हुआ है sun. Children, this exercise is word building. You have to build some word. This is a very important exercise. Okay children, first you have to see the picture carefully and understand what all things given in this picture. Then what is the question? Look at Rajiv's bedroom. See, this is a picture of a bedroom. Rajiv's bedroom. That means this is the bedroom of a boy named Rajiv. Rajiv का bedroom है. 8 things from his room are hidden in this word string. यहाँ पे जितने भी चीज दिए गए हैं, all these things names are hidden in this word string. ये जो word का string आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, इसमें इन सारे चीजों के, इस बेडरूम में जो जो चीज दिखाई दे रहा है उसके नाम इस वर्ड स्ट्रिंग में हिडन है. दैट मीन्स छुपा हुआ है. यू हैव टू फाइंड दोस वर्ड्स एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड एंड सर्कल देम. यू हैव टू सर्कल दोस वर्ड्स. वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. इसमें से एक आपको यहाँ पे सर्कल करके बताया गया है. दैट इज CLOCK. क्लॉक वर्ड आपको सर्कल किया हुआ है. यू कैन सी द क्लॉक इन द बेडरूम. वन क्लॉक इज देयर ऑन द वॉल. सो क्लॉक इज एनसर्कल्ड. आपके लिए पहले से सर्कल करके रखा हुआ है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड मोर वर्ड्स. ओके, सी यू कैन फाइंड हियर MAT मैट. यहाँ पे मैट है ना, यू कैन सी मैट हियर. You will circle MAT mat. Okay. Now some more words are hidden here. BALL ball. यहाँ पे ball है ना, you can see ball. So you will encircle BALL ball. ठीक है. और BAT bat is also here. Bat भी यहाँ पे, you can see the bat lying on the floor on the mat. Bat and ball are lying on the mat. Now in the next line you can see DOOR door. यहाँ पे door है ना पिक्चर में. और क्या है? window. So word is here WINDOW window. और कौन सा वर्ड छुपा हुआ है? BED bed. So how many words we have encircled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more word you have to find out. What is the word? LAMP, lamp. See, one lamp is there in the bedroom. So we have encircled all the 8 words from this picture. So dear children, here we come to the end of all these exercises. Today we have done many more exercises relating to the lesson Curly Locks and the 3 Bears. I hope you all have understood all the exercises, and I want that you should practice all these exercises at your home daily, and you have to read the lesson daily. Okay children, you must read the lesson daily and understand the story. So children, we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.